Have you ever wanted to eat healthy in a hurry? Do you want fast food with no regrets? Do you want to take nutrition into your own hands? Then Wild Tree Shakes are for you and your entire family. Available through our Wild Tree Wellness line and our auto delivery program, Wild Tree Shakes are available in vanilla and chocolate and are safe and scrumptious for you and your entire family. Wild Tree Shakes feature organic fermented whole foods, 5 unique plant proteins, 5 organic super grains, essential fatty acids, probiotic digestive enzymes, and 22 fruits, berries, vegetables, and herbs. These shakes are a high protein, low fat, and low glycemic way to supplement or replace a meal. Even better, Wild Tree Shakes are vegan, dairy-free, and contain no GMOs. With all the amazing ingredients and benefits in our Wild Tree Shakes, you're probably wondering how to order your own. If you haven't already, download the Wild Tree Meals app today. It'll be the favorite app on your phone in no time. We've got recipes, meal planning, variations of the shake to use. There's even a rewards program. So the shake comes in a 15 or a 30-day supply. Families that enroll in the 30-day supply get free shipping every single month straight to their door. So head to the app and order your shakes today.